Hi everyone, good day. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Jesus Global Consult YouTube channel. So this is another video which I promise I'll be dropping, and this video is just about things you should do if your account is banned by PayPal. Things you should know if your account is banned by PayPal, what you can do to overcome that, and what you can do in order to restore back your account. Yes, I intentionally created out time to bring out this video so that you will learn it and know what you should do whenever a notification comes up like this saying that you can no longer use PayPal anymore. So guys, the only thing I'll be just adhering you guys to do is watch this video, stick to the end of this video, listen to every vital information which I'll be dropping in this video, and follow them up, make that your account back, restore them back, and perfectly let them start working for you, because PayPal can only allow you to restore them back for some reasons, and those reasons is what I'll be discussing in this video. So I want you to just stick to the end of this video, watch them and follow them up. So guys, thank you my subscribers, and if you know you are new in this channel, please, my channel is just there to help you grow yourself as an online entrepreneur. I give detailed information and valuable information here, so do well to please click on the like button if you know you are getting value from whatever I'm dropping. Click on the like button, share this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe, because the more you subscribe is give me the zeal to give out more values. So this is what I'll be saying, guys. See you in the video and watch out. Welcome to the video. So guys, the only thing I want you guys to do is stay chilled, relax your mind, and listen to whatever I'll be saying in this video. All the information which I'll be passing out in this video are very important, and if you really want your account to be restored after it has been banned by PayPal for no reason, I would advise you to just stick to the end of this video, watch them, follow whatever I'll be saying there, and do whatever I'll be saying there, and do that in order to restore back your account to normal. So this is just going to be a guided video, which I believe watching it is going to be helpful for you and helpful for me too. So all I just want you to just do is click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and expect more video like this, which is going to be more valuable like this too. So the number one thing I'll be talking about is if your account is permanently banned by PayPal and you don't know why it was banned, and you get a message like this saying that sorry, you can no longer use PayPal. It's the bad news and it's not good, which I believe many people will be disheartened because of what they have been using the account for. Most of them will be using for several transactions and the rest. So in order to make sure that your account is back to normal, things you should do, these are what I want you to understand. Number one thing is, if your account is banned and you don't know the reasons why it is banned, best thing you can always do is check at your transaction, check all the transactions you have made. If most of the transactions you have made are not illegal, like you know that everything you have done in that account are for business purposes only, and I believe every other business transaction should be having a description in it. So go ahead and analyze yourself, check yourself properly, try to know what might be the reason. Just try to check your conscience, like you knowing what you have been using your account for all this while. Just check them, understand the things you have been doing in that account, and if you notice that there's nothing you have done, like you have checked yourself and know that, oh my god, everything I've been doing here have been legal, I've not tried to use it to do anything fraudulent or any activity that is not right, so you just know that you are now convinced that you are free, because there's nothing like you judging yourself knowing that you have not done anything wrong and something suddenly happened. So this time around, you just know that after you have checked yourself and checked your account transaction and details and notice that there's nothing that is fraudulent in every of the activities you have done, just go ahead and send them a mail. There's a mail which I'll be sharing with you guys. So there's a mail template which I believe the moment you send it to PayPal, telling them the reason why asking them why they have banned your account and what you have done, because you have tried checking it yourself, you have not found anything wrong. So this template is just going to be a template which I'll be sharing to those that have been my subscriber, those that have subscribed to my channel. Yes, if you are a subscriber to my channel, that is only when you'll be able to benefit from this template. So if you want to get this template, I'll be giving it for you guys free of charge without collecting anything. So the only thing I'm just pleading for you to do is like this video, comment in the comment section below saying PayPal template. Just go ahead and comment on PayPal template. Just comment that, and after you have commented, if I've received the message that someone commented, I'll go ahead and reply you. I'll drop in my number, which you can chat me up on WhatsApp. So after chatting me up on WhatsApp and telling me the reason why you have chatted me up, I'll send you the template and the emails which you'll be sending the mails to, because PayPal only, there are some emails which are there, that is there to help you in order to rectify your banned account. Anywhere you are, it works for everybody. It works for Nigerian, African, even the whole world. Everywhere it's okay for you, even if you are using a foreign account. But the benefit is, if you are using a foreign account, just such as UK, US, Canadian account, believing that you are sending a mail to the top officials here. So I'll be giving you that template free of charge. All I just want you to do is go to the comment section below, comment PayPal template. You'll get my point. So after commenting that, make sure that after you have commented that, I'll reply you with my WhatsApp line. So you shout me up instantly on that WhatsApp line. And before shouting me up, you can also save my line, because anytime I'll be dropping video too, I'll be also posting it on my WhatsApp status, so that you know that you will not be missing out. You can also from there check to my channel to know if I've dropped a video. And also, please don't comment without you subscribing. So you also need to subscribe, and after you subscribe to my channel, go ahead and comment the PayPal template, and I'll send you the template and also send you the mail. And all you just need to do is, after you have received the template, just edit it to your own story, because this template is just an appealing template, which I'm going to give you the guidelines on how you can edit them on my WhatsApp. So you just go ahead and do whatever I've said you should do. After that, believe me, after everything, send them that mail within 3 to 4 days after you have sent this mail, because I'll be giving you an email address you should be sending them to, and this email address are those top officials which are there to help you in your which are there to help you restore back your account in PayPal. So the thing you just need is, after sending it to them, you just wait for like 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days, a reply will be given to you directly to your PayPal account, and directly to you receive a notification telling you that either your account is being restored, or telling you the reason why they have banned your account. And mind you, this is just for a reason which you know that you have not done anything. And mind you, if they have checked out your account and noticed that there's nothing wrong in that account, your account will be permanently restored. So once it is restored, everything is off, and you can perfectly start using your account without any issues. So just what I've said you should do: comment on my comment section, subscribe, and also like this video. After that, you comment, I share you the email template. After sharing that to you, you go ahead and send it to them, indicating your account email and your case number, because there's going to be a space which is going to be indicating the reference number of your case. Because whenever a mail is sent to you that you are banned permanently, there's always a number, a reference number of your case on top. So you just copy that number, paste it, and re-edit the template to your own storyline. And after re-editing that, you send it to the mail which I'll be providing to you in my WhatsApp status. So after that, expect the reply within 3 to 4 days. So that is how it is done. And after they have replied you, either they say the account is free and you have not done anything wrong, actually your account can be restored permanently back to normal, back functioning, and everything you'll be doing there can go ahead and start functioning. And if you notice that they have replied you saying that sorry, they cannot restore it, or maybe they notice that the account has really undergone several activities which they don't understand, the only thing I can advise any person that has such issue is create a new PayPal account. Create a new PayPal account with a different details. Yes, that is the number one thing. Number two things I'll be saying: if you notice they've replied saying that they can't do it because they noticed your account has been doing some activities which they are finding difficult to understand, just go ahead, instead of sending them the mail consecutively asking them that why, you don't need to do all those things. Just go ahead, create a new PayPal account. And creating this account, I'll be dropping a video in my description below. Go ahead, watch that video and check all the criteria which you need to do while creating a new account. So that video is going to be helpful, and if you don't want to miss out or have an error while creating this new account, go ahead, watch that video. After watching them, follow the guidelines which are stated in the video, follow it up and create a new account. After you have created that is just all, and follow whatever I'll be saying there, and everything about that account will surely go peacefully without them looking at a way to ban it or look for what to do in order to say you have done something wrong. So after creating that, make sure that in creating their new account, you need to know these things: the IP which you use in creating the first one, which is the IP device which you use. If you know you have been using your previous phone to create the previous one which was banned, just know that you have to get a new phone, if possible a friend's phone. Create the account in that your friend's phone, indicating that it's a different IP address which you are using to access PayPal website. Because if you use that same IP which has been blacklisted and permanently limited by PayPal, the moment you are creating that account, instantly they give you a notification saying that it has been banned, even if you have not even done anything. So that's how it is. That's how they run there. So make sure you go to a new device, which is a new IP device. Create that. Input your details different. You input a different details. You don't have to put your number anymore. Your NIN should be different. Your address should be different, and every other thing that contains in that previous one which was banned have to be different. So that's how you have to do it. And after doing all those things, submit it and make sure that you should not be logging in. As I've said, that's why I say you should just go ahead and watch that video to know what you'll be doing in order to make sure that that account you created sustain you for a long time. So guys, I believe this video is vital and the value there is concrete. Just show some love by clicking on the like button. Yes, click on the like button, comment on the comment section below to get the template which I've said, and also subscribe. Please, I need a subscription to grow this channel, and the more you subscribe is giving more value to drop more valuable videos such as this. So guys, I believe you enjoyed this video. I'll be dropping more videos soon, which is going to help you also. In order, if you are a type that you know that your account is not being your money, for instance, I'll be dropping a video which is going to help you in order to restore your fund, like if your account is permanently banned. So stay tuned to this video, which I'll be dropping soon, and you can always get this video if you subscribe. So subscribe to this channel to get that video. What you can do in order to get your money, in order to get your fund which has been banned in your previous account. So this video is just going to be an helpful one. So guys, see you in the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Peace out.